we are. We're at a Queensland Cruising meet at, where is it, Tom?
Paradise Country Parklands today. So there's plenty of variety going on. We've got the sound off going on over here, so plenty of cars to look at.
Look, it should be a big day. Tyler's finally made it here. I think he had a bit of a big night last night.
Just a little.
This is about his 12th coffee this morning. Is that right?
Yeah, just about. Takes some time to get ready.
But yeah, we'll take you through. We'll show you a bit of a look at some of the cars around. There's a massive variety, and some of the sound off, and hopefully we'll get to chat to a few people as well and see how we go. So we noticed your Valiant Charger here today with a Barra engine, a little bit different.
Just a little bit.
Tell us a bit about your build. What made you go with the Barra?
Economics. We started looking at, I wanted a car that had fuel injection, overdrive gearbox, better steering than the old Valiants had, and better brakes. And my son came up and said, "It's a Barra." And it was like, we threw the whole thing, whole front end. It's all, we had to raise all this up.
Yep.
To fit the Falcon arms in. Even though the Falcon arms go straight on the Valiant arms,
It still was a bit of modifying.
A bit camber, too much camber, so brought it up and yeah, just did the whole bloody thing.
It still looks quite a tight fit.
Yeah, pretty good. Like, yeah, it is a little bit tight just for the turbo sitting there, but a lot of people move. That's in the factory position.
Yes.
We had bought a high mount exhaust for it, so we just turbo over, but otherwise, yeah. We've got this fitted in, and it doesn't touch, doesn't move that much, so pretty good.
And the rest of the restoration, like it's a fairly neat car. There's no rust that I can see.
There's no rust left. The whole plenum. This plenum's actually out of a ute, and all the way down the front pillars, there was all floors that are rotted. They all had holes to a degree, so we just put all new floors in it. And we put the Valiant floors in it, the Valiant reproduction floors, and then we ripped out the old Valiant tunnel and put the BF tunnel in. So I could have done the whole. I wish I'd have done the whole floor at once. It would have been easier.
And have you had it on the dyno?
Yeah, it's been tuned. We've got 290 at the back wheels.
Well, that's great.
And good on fuel. Like, it still gets you about 8 or 9 litres per 100.
Look, it's an interesting build, and it's good to see something a little bit different. Is that alcohol sweating out of you yet?
Oh, very much so.
He's shooting this one again, Dave. I've seen this one in a few videos now. What's going on?
Yeah, this is my HJ. Now watch out, we're going to have a bit of a build on this one soon, and we'll give you a bit of update on what's happening. We'll do a bit of a pre-build video and tell you what's happening, but there's some changes coming under the hood there.
Give us some more hints about the build, Dave.
Well, I don't know, there's hints all through this video. You've just got to work them out, I guess.
Hey Brendan, how you going?
Yeah, good mate.
Welcome to Overtaking Lane. So I see you've got the car here. What sort of car is it?
They're all custom made, all fiberglass bodied, and custom chassis and everything that we buy in from a guy, and then we turn them into cars.
Oh yeah.
They're complete cars.
So did it start out as some sort of like a concept or?
Sort of based off an FJ Holden.
Yep.
But yeah, a bit of Chev in there and a bit of everything really. Just trying to get something with something different. So,
yeah. You know, you've definitely got a very different car. You know, you won't see anything like this around. That's for sure.
Yeah, that's it. That's the goal.
Yeah. So what have you got under there powering it?
It's an LS1 with a hair of 2300 blower on it, so it makes about 500 at the tyres and it weighs 1200 kilos, so more than enough. Yeah,
definitely.
So, good fun.
That's awesome. Thanks for having a chat.
No worries, mate. Thank you.
No worries.
So, mate, we've got a bit of a unusual car here. Shake Aid, I see the name of it.
Yep.
Now this is part of the sound off. Tell us a little bit about what's inside here.
Little Daihatsu Charade, and it's running an 8.5k amp, 8 12-inch subwoofers. The amp's running at 0.5 ohm,
Wow, that's
and the battery bank to run it is 6-volt batteries.
right. And how many of those?
4 just running the back amp, and they're 250 amp hour each.
Wow, that's a lot of power. And they tell me that it has quite of an effect on you when you're sitting
It
inside.
does actually, very much so.
So much so that I hear that it's hard to breathe.
Very hard to breathe and hard to concentrate.
No worries. And I believe you've got a page on Facebook as well.
Yes, yep.
So we can find you on Facebook as Shake Aid.
Facebook.com, Shake Aid, yep.
No worries.
Plenty of
Thanks for your
videos
time.
on there, no worries.
We'll check it out. So Cameron, welcome to Overtaking Lane, mate. Now I've spotted this one before up at Yank Tanks and sounds pretty tough. I believe this is fairly new?
Yeah, it is. I've only owned it for about 7 weeks now. So bought it out of Sydney of an ex-police officer.
Yeah, okay.
Owned the car for 25 years. So yeah.
And what's it running, mate? Tell us a little bit about it.
It's a 308 block that's 60 foul lever, 355 crank in it. So the block's half full of grout for extra strength and big cam setup, Yellow Terra aluminium Dart 9 heads on it, and 855 Demon carburetor. So and yeah.
Okay, so it'd run fairly good times over the quarter?
Yeah, it's currently run 10.5, but that was with a smaller cam and a 3 grand Storley, so yet to be running at the moment with a 5k slingshot behind it and a big cam setup. So.
Mate, and it's a beautiful looking car. It's certainly a great pickup. There's not too many of these around, not in this condition.
Yeah.
And it's good to see it make it up here to Queensland. I've spotted a couple of shows, and we'll hope to get a bit more footage of this, especially running, because it does sound amazing. So
yeah, it's got a nice note to it. So yeah,
it certainly does, and I bet the last 7 weeks have been a lot of fun driving it.
It's only been out of the garage 5 times in the last 7 weeks. So so yeah, going to get it out to Willowbank in 4 weeks and throw some Craig radial tyres on it and see what it runs.
Excellent. All right. Well, hopefully we might spot it out there.
No
Fingers
worries.
crossed. And yeah, enjoy your day, mate. And thanks for having a chat to us.
No worries, thanks for that.
watching Overtaking Lane. You can hear those cars taking off now. Everyone's just about out of here. That was the Queensland Cruising Pride and Joy show at Nerang. Tyler?
The Paradise Country Parklands, and a really nice little area. It was a little bit wet, but you know, every car got in and out pretty easily, so that's the main thing. If you guys like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell, then you get notified so you can watch the videos as we post them up.
And that'll keep us going, so please do make sure you subscribe. We're just a few subscribers away from giving away Super Cheap Autos gift card. So as soon as we hit the 100, we get a custom URL. We also will be giving away a gift card, and then there'll be many more prizes to come. So be one of 100 to be in that entry. Hit the subscribe button, hit like, hit the bell, jump on it. Overtaking Lane.